this video clip, we want to sketch the graph of polynomial functions below. There are two right here. One is f of x equals x cubed plus 2. Another is f of x equals x plus 3 cubed minus 4. Previously, we have learned x equals x cubed. You may play. Let's see. 1x is negative 2 cubed, negative 8. So negative 2, negative 8. For negative 1, x cubed, still negative 1. So second point. 0 cubed, 0. So you have a third point. Fourth point, x is 1 cubed, y is 1, 1, 1. And the last one, x is cubed, which is 8. So 2, 8 is this one. We know this picture. Now is you have a x cubed plus 2. Basically, this 0, 1, 2 is the calculation for the one right here. X is 0 cubed. You have a 0. For this one, if you want to write, you may write here. That's cubed. Let me do that here. You should put cubed here. So put cube here. Okay, the same thing. X cubed. And 1x is 1 again. Cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. So, let me change to the black color. Okay. So I may want to use my pen to change that. Okay. Move a little bit. Slow down. Okay, good. So, but here is that for every x value you plug in, previously you get 0. So you have a 2 plus on that. It was 0, 0, now you have to add 2. So that will be 0, 2. It was 1 cubed, you get 1, now you plus 2, you have a 3. So 1, 3. Similarly, if you have a 2 cubed, you have 8 previously. Now you have to add 2, so it's 2, 10. So here was 0, 0, now 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 8, 2, 10. So each time you add 2, so there will be this picture, 2 units up. You shift 2 units up. That will be like this. 1, 3, 2, 10, 0, 2. How about this point on the x-axis? Then on the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So you want to let this y be 0. This is our value y. Okay, this is y. You want to have a y is 0. You solve that. You minus 2 on both sides. Right hand side is x cubed. Left hand side is negative 2. Then x equals cube root of negative 2 is approximately negative 1.26. On your calculator, you want to input in this way. You see, I have a calculator here. You see, this way, I can do it for you one more time. You have a negative 2, and then to the cube root. That's not cube root, is yes, it's cube root, it's not cubed. 1 divided by 3, that's cube root. Hit enter is approximately negative 1.26. Okay, so then here's negative 1.26. So that's the point here. Use the decimal. Decimal. Where is my decimal? Right here. So you see, when you have an x cubed plus 2, this point is negative 1.26. And this point is 0, 2. When you plug in 0 here, cubed is still 0 plus 2. So y is 2. So this point is 0, 2. That's the picture. Alright. Now, we're done with the first one. How about the second one? The second one, once we know the relationship here is negative 4. Means what? Negative 4 will be, here will be like, you may put a note here, that's 4 units down. It's because every value you got here, it is going to subtract 4. So it's 4 units down. But what does this is going to play? Previously, when you plug in x, right here, cubed is 0. Now, if you consider this one, in order to get 0 here, you have to plug in what? You have to plug in negative 3. Because negative 3 plus 3 is 0, you then cube it, so you have a 0. So previously was 0, 0. Now in order to get 0, you have to do negative 3, 0. Previously, if you plug in 1 here, you get 1. So if you plug in 1, x is 1, 0, 1. If you plug in 1, you have 1 cubed is 1. So previously here is 1, 1. Now in order to get same value for 1, what do you need? You need is x plus 3 has to be 1. X plus 3 has to be 1, then you want to do is what? Is you want here negative 2 plus 3 cubed. Then you get 1. You see negative 2 plus 3. Okay? That's positive 1. Cubed is 1. So you want to have the same value for y, and x needs to be what? X needs to be negative 2, 1. So let me put a remark here. Use the different color. It might be clear with different color. So is if you want to have a same value, I have to use this one to click on that. Okay. If you want to have a same value, y, previously was 0, now you need 3. You want to have a same value for 1. Previously is 1, now you have a negative 2. So let's look at the relationship. Previously you have a 0, 0, 0. Now you need is 3, 0. So you have this point. Previously was 1, 1 right here. Now you need this negative 2, 1 right here. The distance between those two is 3 units. Okay, 3 units. The distance between this one, 0, and this one is also 3 units. Okay, right here. All right. This means what? This 3 plays 3 units to their left. Okay. So, 1 here is positive. That's 3 units to the left. And here each value minus 4. So you will do is 4 units down. Okay. Plus is like x minus negative 3 squared. So negative 3 for 3 units to the left. Okay. So, of course, if here were minus 3, that will be 3 units to the right. You do the same analysis. Because we want y values be the same, then x values needs to be 3 units to the left, plus 3, then it goes to the right 3 units. You get 0 here, and then cubed. Okay, so picture will be step 1 is A. First, shift the graph 3 units to the left. B, then 4 units down. If you have a decimal, or if you have a TI-83 calculator, you may do is input the picture. You click on this bottom, and then you do is parentheses, click on x, and then plus 3 cubed minus 4. No, what I want to do is delete. Let's see which key is delete. This key is delete, 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 delete. Okay, I want to move to the right. Okay, and then this is 2 units to 3 units to the left, right here. And then you want to subtract 4. Our function was x plus 3 cubed minus 4. So if you do subtraction minus 4, it's going to be, this point will be 4 units down, right here. You graph it, you will see that this one 4 units down. You see, not 4 units down. That will be the picture. All right. Again, our function is the function here, x plus 3 cubed minus 4. You see, x plus 3 cubed minus 4 right here. Right here. If you have a decimal on your picture, you may do the same thing. That's even more clear. That's x plus 3 cubed. You see on the left, and then minus 4 is constant. Alright, above this point, you may ask more. You can do the same thing. This is like negative 1.413. Again, why is that? You may do is x plus 3 cubed minus 4 is 0. Because this is f of x, which is over y. Y is 0. Okay? So then you do u plus 4 on both sides. So you then have a x minus 3 cubed is 4 because they will be cancelled. And then you choose the cube root on both sides. You then do subtraction minus 3 on both sides. This will give you x equals 4 cube root of 4. Here will be 1/3. Then minus 3. Okay, so cube root of 4 minus 3, if you have a TI-80 calculator, clear. So you do 4 cube root and then minus 3. You hit enter. Negative 1.4 something. And on your decimal, then have a negative 1.4 something will be this point. Okay? All right. Please review this lecture. I will see you next time.